What's up, guys? It's Mongo Programming here, and today is lesson number 2 in my C++ tutorial series. If you guys were wondering, I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to record this. I'll post a link below. Just download it, install it, resize it. It's kind of confusing on how to save and everything, but it is perfectly fine, and it could get videos up to 720p, so I like it. So anyways, today we'll be talking about comments and computer input. Last week we talked about computer output, its structure, and the Hello World program. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm using CodeBlox 10.05. You can close this down. Okay. This tip of the day. That's what CodeBlox is awesome about. Okay, so it's just gonna go on new project. Console applications, go. We're just gonna hit next. You're gonna use C++.c, and we're just gonna name it some random thing. And hit finish. Should just give it a second to build the program here. Swag it. What? Okay, there we go. Now we're just gonna do a source file and the main file. Okay, so you got the include iOS frameworks and namespace, and we got hello program. We build and run. And we get okay, it should open in a second. There we go. Hello world, blah blah, nothing. Okay. Now we're just gonna go ahead and show you guys comments. Comments is basically easy. All I gotta do is like to insert a comment. Let's say it's let's just put a comment right here. Backslash, backslash. And we can write whatever we want. So go ahead and build and run this. The computer would basically forget about that line and nothing happens. But if we input those two things there, we should get an error. Not that cool. Yes, we do get an error. We do get an error. It does not build and run, so you have to go ahead and fix this. Just doing this. Two backslashes. Basically, what will happen is the computer will ignore this, and it'll automatically. See, what? This is confusing. Oh no, it's just a random. So this is something else. The computer will ignore the backslashes. So basically, when you write the program, it will not really notice it. So it'll ignore it. Basically, this backslash is telling that ignore, and continue down the next line. So you can just write whatever you want. I'd recommend writing like your program name or your name. You can also take notes with this, like variables equal whatever, and you can type in blah 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 blah. So then the computer will not notice that. You can also type in like variables equal and then blah 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 with one backslash and add another backslash, and this should ignore it unless it doesn't work this time. What do we have? I'm just gonna X this out. I'm gonna X it out while I'm doing this. Should execute done unless no you can't do that. Never. I shouldn't be able to do that. So you just gotta have two backslashes and it'll ignore it like so. So you can take notes. So let's say you just learned about calc, so you can just write C out equals computer output, and bam, next time you come onto this program, you'll say what's C out, and you'll say computer output. So it'll just output the text that way. So that's really comments. It's fun. You can take notes with it instead of writing it down and blah blah. Comments you should write at the end of the line. You cannot extend it, like you can't write blah 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 and expect it to notice that. It's only what's on that line will count. So now let's talk about cin. Okay, so let's just go ahead and talk about cin. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly go here and we're gonna quickly make a program here. So just make a basic calculator, just have int. I'm not gonna tell you guys what this means. Y type again, but it's gonna end this line. And we're gonna do tell hello world cin. Why is it on caps? These cheese. So we're just gonna write cin. I'll do the arrows. We'll write y. Yeah, try to capital. Okay, so then we'll say int equals y. Count hello world. Enter y. Should work. Of course not. Oh wait, I press equal for some reason. It's supposed to be not equal, it's just supposed to be equal. So now it's going to say hello world, it's going to tell us to enter the variable of y. So we're just going to enter y, 70 as the variable of y. Cin can use different times. You can also create a basic calculator by running int x, and then we can go cin x, and then we can write cout, and we can make it output y plus x. And so then what will happen is that when we go ahead and build and run this, which hopefully it will build and run fast, we will get an error because I don't know why that's happening. So it's giving us an error. Oh, it didn't end the line. Mistake. We're just gonna go ahead and build and run this. And I made another mistake. Build and run this again. Oh. Never mind. Okay, this is kind of confusing. Okay, but anyways, cin basically what you do is kind of add. I don't know why it wasn't working. It's supposed to work. It should work. Maybe you guys could tell me though. But anyways, I probably wrote something wrong anyways. But anyways, it's basically y is a variable and cin is think of computer inputs. Well anyways guys, really thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, rate, and